Here we come to the north elevator at the Bear Down Gymnasium at the University of Arizona in Tucson, Arizona. This is a Minnesota elevator. Is it locked from here? Fail. Anyways, let's go up to the second floor. Here we come to the elevator at the Bear Down Gym building. This is the north elevator that was modernized by Minnesota Elevator shortly after installation because of a change in the floor setup. So we're gonna take take this down since 3 is locked. And my card does not seem to be working. So we're gonna go down to 1R is locked. So we're gonna go down to the ground level. That's the 3,500 pounds. Let's get our CAD view while we're down here. It's got innovation fixtures on the inside and EPCO fixtures, EPCO Endurance on the outside. GAL interlock. There's a look up the shaft. This was just installed a couple of years ago, and then it got modernized. So let's go up to 2. Very nice. Anyways, here it goes. And that's it.